And in business today, some insurance companies have welcomed the National Insurance Commission's quest to get government to enact the requisite laws for compulsory insurance. The laws on compulsory insurance, among others, would see professionals like the medical practitioners receive insurance cover against any incidents that may arise in their line of duty.
And insurance drives on numbers, so the more people we have on the insurance, the lesser the cost and the premiums that each individual will pay. So if it's a compulsory insurance and everybody's on cover, then it means everybody is going to enjoy lesser premiums and get the service that they require. And when you look at the developed world, the Americas, the UK, it's been built on insurance because it's in volumes.
Head of Corporate Affairs and Marketing of Glyco Group has assured clients of continuous prompt payments of premiums to them. She attributed prompt payment to the success of Glyco Healthcare in the 10 years it has been in existence. Speaking to Joy Business at the 10th anniversary celebrations, she indicated plans by Glyco Healthcare to provide improved and better services to its customers.
People actually, you have your competitors, such as I say, we can provide you better. There's price on the carton. There's people doing all sorts of things to ensure that, at the end of the day, we have better value. But what we've stuck to our guns as Glyco Healthcare is to ensure that we pay our claims promptly. That we don't joke with it, and our service providers will attest to it. We make sure that we charge the right premium so that at the end of the day we can give you the beneficial and value for your health service that you require.
Glyco also launched a Glyco Healthcare app as part of the celebrations. The app is to make the health insurance easily accessible to all.
Now, government is set to pass the Securities Industry Bill currently before Parliament. Now, the bill, when passed, will link farmers to the capital market to help provide easy access to financing both locally and internationally. Deputy Minister of Finance Mona Korte, who announced this at the 2015 edition of the Ghana Investment Awards, assured a passage of the bill will pave the way for the development of a commodities exchange in Ghana.
This year's edition of the Ghana Investment Awards assessed the top performers out of the 19 brokerage firms and 78 investment advisor firms duly licensed by Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as all listed equities on the Ghana Stock Exchange. Gold Coast Securities was adjudged Fund Manager of the Year. Broker Dealer of the Year went to Data Brokerage Limited. Data Bank was also adjudged Research Report of the Year. Best Growing New Investment Bank went to Frontline Capital, among other individual and fund awards. The ultimate prize, Investment Bank of the Year, was picked by Data Bank. Chief Executive of Data Bank is Kojo Adai-Mensah.
I think it's long overdue. We have been the pacers in the investment banking industry. We have shown the way for Ghana and the way to go in the capital markets. I think we deserve this award. I'm proud to be associated with it, but I don't take it, like I said, I'm not taking it as a personal award. I'm not taking it as a Data Bank award. I'm taking it as an industry award. I think it's important that Ghanaians come to understand that there's the commercial banking and there's investment banking, and the investment banking is actually the main catalyst to economic development.
Meanwhile, Deputy Finance Minister Mona Korte says all is set to pass the Securities Industry Bill currently before Parliament.
Government will continue to work with industry to ensure that the regulatory framework improves significantly within the shortest possible time. In this regard, I'm happy to inform you that the Securities Industries Bill presented to Parliament will soon be passed into law. The new law will address weaknesses in the existing law and promote further development of the market. The new Securities Industry Bill will also ensure a comprehensive and robust regulatory regime and will align our legal and regulatory framework with international standards and best practices as required. The passage of the new Securities Industry Bill will also pave the way for the development of a commodities exchange in Ghana. The commodities exchange will link Ghana's rich agricultural sector to the capital market, which will in turn provide easy access by our farmers to financing.
In all, 14 award categories were presented under the 3 broad areas: corporate, product and funds, and individual awards.
Now, 10 staff of the Agricultural Development Bank, ADB, have filed a suit at an Accra High Court challenging their dismissal from the bank. The dismissed staff have been accused of concealing information about bounced checks presented by clients, which management said is contrary to a 2005 Bank of Ghana notice, as well as breaching the collective bargaining agreement dated January 2014 to December 2015. The dismissed staff, in a suit dated November 24, 2015, said their dismissals were wrongful and unlawful. They are seeking an order restraining the management of ADB or its agents from dealing with their bank accounts with intent to changing the terms of loans advanced to all except Nuruddin Mohammed. Also, they are asking the court to order ADB to completely write off loans advanced to them from the date of dismissal as part of compensation for the purported dismissal, in addition to compensation of 7 years gross salary for wrongful dismissal to each of the dismissed staff. The staff also want 150,000 Ghana cedis each for the embarrassment caused them, and an apology from ADB to be published in a national daily newspaper within 14 days from the day of judgment. Well, that'll be all for business. Time to talk sports when George Addo joins me shortly.